Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the front-end build tools, Vite, bundlers and the linters. So what is bundler? Simple definition is a bundler takes all your JavaScript files, CSS files, images and other assets and combines them into a optimized file that browsers can efficiently load. That is called the bundler. So every, like you can say, the framework that may be the Angular, React, Next.js and the view all are using the bundlers, right? Real world analogy, let's take an example. Like imagine you're packing for a trip. You have a clothes scattered everywhere, shirts in one drawer, pants in another, socks somewhere else. The bundler is like packing everything neatly into one suitcase, organized, compressed to save space. Instead of carrying 50 separate items, you carry one compact suitcase. This is what the bundler is. Why do we need too many files? Modern apps have hundreds of JavaScript files. Loading each separately is slow. Browsers don't understand the modern code. We write code with modern features, but old browsers need to translate it. File size matters. Smaller size equal to faster website. So bundlers compress and optimize. Dependencies. Your code uses libraries like React, etc. Bundlers organize all these connections. Development features, hot reload, CSS pre-processing, image optimization. Bundlers do it all. So there are some of them that is called Webpack, Rollup, and the Parcel. So all are the JavaScript bundlers are used to bundle and optimize front-end code. Okay, so Webpack, the most popular and the powerful, complex configuration, handles everything, can be slow for the large apps. Now we have a Rollup, the library builder, great for the libraries and the packages. Smaller bundle sizes, tree shaking expert, simpler than Webpack. Parcel, zero config bundler, works out of the box, no configuration, great for the beginners, fast build times. Okay. Vite, the modern solution. What is Vite? Vite, pronounced as wheat, French for fast. Okay, is a next generation front-end build tool that makes development extremely fast. It's created by the Ivanio, the creator of the Vue.js. The restaurant analogy, traditional bundlers Webpack, like a restaurant that cooks all the food before opening, even if you have only want a sandwich. They prepare entire menu first. Long wait time. White, like a restaurant that cooks food only when you order it. You want a sandwich, they make just the sandwich instantly, super fast. So this is the analogy. Why White is amazing. Lightning fast start. Server starts in milliseconds, not seconds. Instant hot load. Changes appear immediately in the browser. No bundling in dev. Uses native ES modules. Browsers load what they need. Optimized production. Uses Rollup for the efficient production builds. Simple setup, minimal configuration needed. Framework agnostic, works with the React, Vue, Salvet, Vanilla JS. White versus Webpack speed. Webpack cold start 30 to 10, 10 to 30 seconds, large projects. Okay, and the White cold start under 1 second. And hot reload, White updates instantly. Webpack takes 1 to 5 seconds. Okay, so when to use Vite? New projects, React, Vue, Servlet. When development speed matters, modern browser supports small to large applications when you want the simple configuration. Okay, so how Vite works, technical but simple. Development serves your code directly to the browser using native ES modules, no bundling. Dependencies, pre-bundle external libraries like React once using the ES bundle super fast. Hot module replacement only updates the exact module you changed, not the whole page. Production uses Rollup to create the optimized small bundles. Okay. Linters, your code quality guard. So what is linter? A linter is a tool that reads your code and points out mistakes, bad practices, and style issues before you run the code. So it's like a grammar checker for the code. Okay, so everybody is using the linters, right, for formatting. Okay, and for the spaces management, everything that goes under the linter, the code quality. Okay, real world analogy, like a linter is a strict teacher who reviews your essay before you submit it. They point out spelling mistakes, syntax errors, grammar issues, code structure problems, style problems. Don't start sentences with and. Potential improvements, this sentence is too long. Okay, so this is what the teacher, the strict teacher do, the linter does that one for your code. Why use linters? Catch bugs early, find errors before running code. Consistent style, everyone on the team writes code the same way. Best practices, enforces modern JavaScript practices. Learning tool teaches you better coding habits. Save time, no more hunting for the missing semicolons or the typos. Better code quality, cleaner, more maintainable. Okay, so here we have the linters like ESLint, Prettier, and the TypeScript type checker. Okay, so JavaScript linter, most popular JS linter, high configurable, tons of plugins, works with React, Vue, etc., catches code errors. Okay, then we have a code Prettier, automat format your code, no configuration needed, opinionated styling, works with the many languages, consistent formatting. Okay, then we have a TypeScript, that is a type checker that adds to types to the JavaScript, catches type related bugs. Better IDE support, scales for the large apps, act as a linter too. Okay, what linters catch? Syntax error, potential bugs, style issues, and the bad practices. Okay, so when to use linters? Every project always. Okay, seriously. Team projects ensures consistency, large code bases when learning, teaches best practices, production applications. Okay, so there would be a quick comparison. Okay, so bundlers, Webpack slash web, Vite. So job, combine and optimize files. What are their jobs for the bundlers? Combine and optimize your files and render in your browser. When? Build time. Result, optimize production files. Linters. Job is check code quality. When? While coding. Result, better code and the fewer bugs. Formatters. What they do? Job, to format the code. When coding, while coding slash saving. Result, consistent styling. Okay, for the interview, remember these points. Bundlers, they package multiple files into optimized bundles for the production. White, super fast because it uses the native ES modules in the development, no bundling needed. Linters, they analyze your code to catch the errors and enforce coding standards. Together, modern projects use all of three: White for the fast dev, ES lint for the quality, Prettier for the formatting. So hope you get something more extra for this one, like how the front end works for like the React, Vue, Angular, like how the bundlers, White, and the linters will work. So hope you get something. So any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.